this season. Made 35 straight field goals. They jump the center, and it's blocked by Shea McClellin. Timed perfectly.
Did he touch the center? McClellin goes over the top of Morgan Cox. That's a clean block. What a play by McClellin.
3rd down 3. Ravens' best 3rd down defense in the league. Brady down the middle to Edelman. 1st down. And battling Julian Edelman. They finally wrestle him down inside the 40. It was Eric Weddle who made the tackle.
Julian Edelman, over 400 catches. He's working in the slot against LeGarratte Powers. That's no contest. And Tom Brady, with very good pass protection, throws a bullet. 1st down, Patriots.
They're going to take him to the dressing room now. 3rd and goal, New England. LeGarratte Blount head down. Charging into the end zone for New England, touchdown.
They came out of the huddle with the speed break. The Patriots came roaring out of the huddle, got set. They snapped the ball in a quick count again, and after contact, LeGarratte Blount scores. Watch them come out of the huddle. They know what the play is. They come out quickly, and Brady sets them. They go on a quick count, and LeGarratte Blount